that's already been put together. But this is how they come. You have your lamp, you have this connector, and you have this stake. And you just got to put them together. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so anyway, you got to get your lamp ready to go. So you undo that. And then we got to put this on there. So to do that, we got to unscrew this. Make sure you don't lose any of the parts. And then, especially this one right here will fall out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put her on like that. And then you're going to bring this. So it's sitting on there like that. Let me show you. And you take your other part, screw, just screw it in. That's it. And then the tighter you get it, then you can change where you want to put it. But you got to get it pretty tight. And that way it'll have some stiffness to it. Then your stake goes right in there. Yeah, ready to go. Then you got to connect it.